In Windows 10, managing multiple applications is made easy with features like Task View. Today, we'll explore how you can efficiently switch between applications and manage your workspace using Task View. One way to open Task View is by pressing the Windows key plus tab. This keyboard shortcut provides a quick way to view all open windows and switch between them. You can navigate through the thumbnails of open windows, select the one you want to activate, and bring it to the forefront. Another method to open Task View is by clicking on the Task View icon located on the taskbar. This icon looks like a series of rectangles stacked on top of each other. When you click on it, Task View opens, allowing you to view all open windows. You can then select the window you want to activate or manage. Windows 10 offers a powerful feature called Virtual Desktops, which allows you to create multiple desktop environments to organize your work more efficiently. Now, we'll explore how to use virtual desktops separately. To begin, let's create multiple virtual desktops. You can do this by pressing the to open Task View. In the top left corner, you'll see an option labeled New Desktop. Click on it to create a new virtual desktop. You can repeat this process to create as many desktops as you need, whether it's 2, 5, or even 10. Now that we have our virtual desktops set up, let's organize our applications. For example, in one desktop, you might have Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint open for document editing. In another desktop, you may have Calendar and Calculator open. To switch desktop, press Windows key plus tab to open Task View, then click on the desktop containing your document editing applications. To switch between virtual desktops, you can use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Control plus left right arrow key. Alternatively, you can use Task View to select the desired desktop. For example, if you want to switch to the desktop containing your calendar and calculator, open Task View and click on that desktop. With your applications organized across different desktops, you can now work on multiple tasks simultaneously without cluttering your workspace. For instance, you can focus on editing documents in one desktop while keeping your calendar and calculator accessible in another desktop. And one more way is to manage multiple applications is by moving specific applications to different virtual desktops to streamline your workflow clutter-free and organize. For example, if you have Excel and Word open and want to move them to separate virtual desktops, identify their thumbnails in Task View. To move Excel to a different virtual desktop, let's say Desktop 3, hover your mouse over its thumbnail in Task View. Right-click on the Excel thumbnail, and from the context menu, select Move to, and then choose New Desktop 3. This will move Excel to a new virtual desktop, keeping your primary desktop clutter-free. Repeat the same process for Word or hover over its thumbnail in Task View, holding left-click, grab it to New Desktop 4. Word will now be moved to its own virtual desktop, separate from Excel. To switch between virtual desktops, you can use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Control plus left right arrow key. And to switch between virtual desktop thumbnails, also you can use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Control plus left right arrow key. Feel free to customize each virtual desktop according to your workflow. You can have separate desktops for different projects, applications, or even personal and work-related tasks. This level of organization can greatly enhance productivity and efficiency, allowing you to stay focused on one task at a time. In conclusion, Task View in Windows 10 offers a convenient way to manage multiple applications and virtual desktops. Whether you prefer using the Windows key plus tab shortcut or clicking on the Task View icon, you can easily switch between applications, close unwanted windows, and customize your workspace to suit your needs. By grabbing specific applications, moving them to designated desktops, you can create a more efficient and streamlined workspace. When you open a virtual desktop in Windows, only the default applications appear on the taskbar of that virtual desktop. The taskbar of the new virtual desktop only displays essential system icons and any default applications pinned to the taskbar. While only default applications are shown on the taskbar by default, users can customize their taskbar settings to display additional icons if desired. This customization can be done through the Windows Settings app or by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Taskbar Settings. Go to Taskbar at the bottom of your screen, then System Tray on right side corner. Click on the notifications icon on the far right side of the taskbar. It looks like a speech bubble. This will open the Action Center, which displays recent notifications and provides quick access to various system settings and features. In the Action Center, you'll see a row of quick action buttons at the bottom. Click on the All Settings, navigate to System and then select Multitasking from the sidebar. Scroll down to the Virtual Desktops section. Under, on the taskbar, Show Windows that are. Selecting All Desktops will display all open application windows across all virtual desktops on the taskbar. By adjusting these settings, you can customize how application windows are displayed on the taskbar across different virtual desktops, tailoring the experience to suit your workflow preferences.